نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, to the Excellencies, to the teacher and all my friends, I would like to speak on the importance of education. Proper and good education is very important for us. It is the process of acquiring knowledge, values, skills, beliefs and good habits. Education is very necessary for each and everyone in order to improve knowledge, as well as social, economic status throughout the life. Education is very important in our life. It transforms us completely from inside and outside by changing our mind and personality, as well as improving our confidence level. We are saying a lot of issues because of the lack of proper education. Social issues like inequality, genders, discrimination, religious differences, and so many problems like these. Being well educated not only means to earn certificate and good salary from the organization or institution. However, it also means to be a good and social person in life. If we are good educated, we ourselves can understand is good and bad for us. Good education makes us to think in the right way and help to take proper decisions when we are needed. Now the world is getting very competitive, so in this situation, it is most important that everyone should again proper and good education. Thank you for listening.